Let's begin with you, sir, as to why you maintain the sell off the back of the numbers. Walk me through it.
Good morning. Sure. The numbers were in certain ways better than expected or more positive. It's something that actually I think gives bull and bears an opportunity to talk about. The free cash flow was better than expected when you look at the surface. But when you dig a little deeper, you see that there were some one-time cash benefits that won't be recurring, such as some of the timing of capital spending and some of the working capital benefits. On the other hand, there was also good news of no change in the time frame of getting up to that 5,000 per week production of the Model 3. But, that's still subject to further risk that they couldn't miss, even though they haven't changed their guidance.
Efraim, how dependent have they been on the creation of new models that don't exist yet, aren't in production yet, but have allowed them to access cash? How dependent on that cash have they been over the quarter?
That's been another issue on it, because they had a gigantic jump in the number of deposits, and most of those deposits were not from the Model 3 they already had, but it was from the new vehicles like the Semi and the Roadster. So that is something that helps them tide over until they can get the cash flow from the Model 3.
So it looks like they're going to have to raise more money. That's the bottom line for pretty much every analyst on the street. I guess from the equity debt perspective, I want to know, is it going to be through equity or through the debt market?
Well, it could be a hybrid too. But I would think that equity makes more sense. It'll be a cheaper cost of capital for them.
Efraim, as I look at this company and look at some of the views on the street and from investors in the stock, the difference between the two sides is absolutely massive. But what I identify as just this core religious bid into the company. Is there any point trying to go short this company when you have a religion that is Tesla with a godlike figure and a bid that seemingly is going nowhere despite the quarterly numbers and whatever they might look like?
It's very hard to go short these stocks. Clearly, there are a lot of shorts who are out there in the marketplace. Our sell opinion is, I don't know if I would go short, but as far as I wouldn't hold the stock, so therefore we'd say be out of it. It's more about timing. This is a volatile stock that can go up and down, and the best people are probably the people trading it at the right times.